Hi students, back to your Pudla's Maths Teacher channel. So this is your Maths Teacher. Today we are going to discuss class 12 exercise 1.5 in real numbers. Okay. So I hope you are understanding very well with my videos. Thank you for your encouragement. So this is the third question in the exercise 1.5. Just see the question. Evaluate each of the following in terms of x and y. If it is given x is equals to log 3 base 2 and y is equals to log 5 base 2. Okay, so with the given log values we need to convert them, that log values, in terms of x and y. Okay, so just in the Roman problems I'm going to explain two problems. Okay, just try to understand that problem. Log 7.5 base 2 I'm explaining. See here, this 7.5 I'm converting in division form because it is in the decimal form. So that's why I'm converting into this p by q form. Okay, so log 75 by 10. 7.5 means 75 by 10. Again this 75 by 10 I'm cancelling in 5 table, 5 15s and 5 2s. It becomes log 15 by 2 base 2. Okay, next this division I'm converting, expanding in the formula. Just see the formula, log x by y, that is equals to log x minus log y. In the same way, log 15 base 2 minus log 2 base 2. Okay, so next see this 15 also, log 15 also I'm dividing in 3 into 5. Okay, so because 3 5s are 15, that's why I'm dividing 3 into 5 minus log 2 base 2 as it is. Okay, this log x 3 into 5 in the form of log x into y, so I'm converting again log x plus log y, means log 3 base 2 plus log 5 base 2 minus this value log a base a. I already explained, if the number value and base value are equal, then that value is converted into 1. So that's why log 2 base 2 value is equals to 1 I am substituting. Okay, again with the given question, if log 3 base 2 is there, then that value is x. Log 5 base 2 value is there, that value is y. So in place of these two log values I can substitute x and y. So that's why here log 3 base 2 I am substituting as x and log 5 base 2 substituting as y, and minus 1 is as it is. So finally log 7.5 base 2, in terms of I need to explain x and y, so the solution is x plus y minus 1. Okay, so next log 6750 base 2 also I have to convert in terms of x and y. So this 6750 I'm doing prime factorization. Okay, so it becomes 2 into 3 cube into 5 cube. Okay, so again this is in the form of log x into y into z. Then if multiplication is there, I need to expand in addition. So that's why log 2 plus log 3 cube plus log 5 cube. Okay, again here see log 2 base 2, number and base value same, so that's why it converts into 1, plus log 3 cube means log x power n. Log x power n is equals to n into log x, means this power will come to the front. So that's why 3 log 3 base 2. Okay, plus again 3 log 5 base 2. See again here log 3 base 2 is there, log 3 base 2 value is x. Again here log 5 base 2 is there, that value is y. So I'm substituting 1 plus 3 log x, 3 log 3 means 3x plus log 5 means 3y. Okay, so try to understand these two problems and do the remaining two problems here, log 15 base 2 and log 60 base 2. Okay, next question, next example I'm saying, if 2 power x plus 1 is equals to 2 power 1 minus x, then find the value of x. Means in this given condition we need to find the value of x. Just observe the given condition, 2 power x plus 1 is equals to 2 power 1 minus x. In both LHS and RHS sides, bases are equal. So we have the formula and exponentials. A power m is equals to a power n, then that implies m is equals to n. So if bases are equal, powers also equal. So that's why I'm equating the powers here. X plus 1 is equals to 1 minus x. Again transposing x to the other side. Here minus x, it will come means plus x, x plus x, 2x. Again here 1 plus 1 becomes minus 1. Then 1 minus 1 is equals to 0. If you transpose this 2 to the other side, it becomes division. So that's why x value is also 0. Okay. Next exercise question I'm saying, just like example, but somewhat difference is there. Eighth question, if 2 power x plus 1 is equals to 3 power 1 minus x. In before example, here it is 2, means base is equal, but here I am taking another base value. Okay, so from this also I need to find the x value. Just understand the procedure. Okay, given 2 power x plus 1 is equals to 3 power 1 minus x, applying log on both sides. If you want to convert into, means if you want to use log formulas, we need to apply log compulsory, that's why. Okay, so log 2 power x plus 1 is equals to log 3 power 1 minus x. Again here power is there, it will come to the front. So x plus 1 into log 2 is equals to 1 minus x into log 3. Again bracket before one term is there, I am multiplying to the bracket terms. So x into log 2 plus 1 into log 2, 1 into log 3, x into log 3. Okay, after that I am transposing log values aside and number values aside. So from these two terms I am taking x as common. Again from here I am applying the formula log x minus log y, log x by y. Okay, next here also formula log x plus y, log x plus log y, log x into y. Okay, so log 2 into 3, log 6 is equals to log 3 by 2. After that, to find x I need to transpose this log. Here it is multiplication, by transposition becomes division. Okay, so x is equals to log 3 by 2 by log 6. Okay, so up to here this question is important, and the next question also very important for 4 marks. Just try to understand. If x square plus y square is equals to 25xy, then prove that 2 log of x plus y is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. Okay, so from the given condition, x square plus y square is equals to 25xy. So here this box condition is important. See, add 2xy on both sides. So why I am adding this 2xy? In my proving condition, it is in the form of x plus y. So that's why I am adding. Here plus is there, we need to add plus 2xy. If it is here minus is there, then I need to subtract minus 2xy. Why? Because see here, if I am adding 2xy on both sides, x square plus y square plus 2xy is equals to 25xy plus 2xy. Means this left side part is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. It becomes a plus b whole square. So that's why I need to add here. If it is here minus, then it becomes a minus b whole square. So I hope you are understanding. So here 25xy plus 2xy, 27xy. Okay, again both sides I am applying log values. Okay, apply log on both sides. X plus y whole square is equals to log 27xy. Here power is there, it will come to the front. Log x plus y is equals to log 27 into x into y plus values I am taking. This 27 again 3 cube I am taking. Power also will come to the front. Finally log x plus y, 2 log x plus y is equals to 3 log 3 plus log x plus log y. This is only we have to prove the condition. Okay, so hence proved. Try to understand the problem, very important. Okay, remaining more 3 are there in this exercise. Definitely I will complete in the next video. Okay, just follow my channel. Thank you.